Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and I've got another amazing strategy to show you today. And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. So let's start off by opening up a Euro USD chart, 1 minute time frame. And let's add our first indicator. So let's search for chandelier exit. And here's the one we want by Everget. And so with this indicator, whenever we have the red line and we see our market below that line, then we know we're definitely in a downtrend. And when we see the green line here, we can see we are in an uptrend, okay? And it also has buy and sell signals, all right? And our second indicator will be moving average exponential. Let's go ahead and type in EMA. And then we're just going to go to settings, inputs, and let's change the length to 200. And then we're going to go to style and change the color to yellow. Okay. And our third and final indicator will be donkey and trend ribbon. Let's go ahead and type that in. And here it is. Let's add it to our chart. And with this indicator, whenever we see the ribbon is red, then we know we're in the downtrend, and when it's green, that's when we're in an uptrend. Alright, so let's take a look at our chart right now for some positions. So right here we can see our chandelier exit is red, the line is red, and we have a sell signal, and our market is also below the EMA line, and we have a red ribbon right here from our donkey and trend. Okay, so we know this is a good sell signal. And at this section of the chart, the market is above the EMA line, and our chandelier exit line is green, and down here our donkey and trend indicator ribbon is also green, and here we see a buy signal, so we know this is a good buy signal right here. Here's another section where the market is below the EMA line, and our chandelier exit is red at this point, and down here we see the donkey and trend ribbon is also red, okay? And here's our sell signal, so we know this would be a good signal right here. And right here we have another section where the price action is above the EMA line right here. Our chandelier exit is green, and also our donkey and trend ribbon is also green, and here's our buy signal, so we know this is a great buy signal at this point. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our gold chart. So right here we can see where the market is above the EMA line, our chandelier exit is green, and our donkey and trend ribbon is also green, okay? And here's our buy signal, so this is a great buy signal at this section. And here's another great sell signal. We see that our market is below the EMA line, our chandelier exit indicator is red, and also our donkey and trend ribbon indicator is red, okay guys? So we can see that this is a very great strategy, alright, and hopefully you can get some profitable trades with this one. So thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.